As we've told you, the Mountain Gate Volunteer Fire Department has suspended all emergency response operations because of inadequate and unsafe gear. The department addressed the issue at tonight's Mountain Gate Community Service District Board meeting. The Northstate's News' Tyler Van Dyke was at that meeting. He joins us now with more. Tyler?
Glenn, in previous reports, I said the issue wasn't an actual item on the agenda for the meeting. However, an exception was made, and they added it to the agenda due to the board wanting to discuss and take action on it tonight.
An immediate need has arisen in connection with the purchase of OSHA-compliant fire equipment for the fire department, and this need came to the attention of the district Monday after the agenda had been posted.
Board member Katie Mason questioned Fire Chiefs Corey Stevens and Dan Stanger why the board hasn't heard about the issue before. Stanger explaining,
I learned at that particular meeting that it has to go through Mr. Cole before it gets to you guys, and that I had to put it on an agenda if you guys want to do anything. And we've asked for this to be on the agenda at least once that I know of, and has not quite made it yet.
The volunteer department currently has 14 active firefighters, and their biggest concern is their structure gear, like boots and jackets, not being up to OSHA standards, with much of the gear being expired and well past its safe usable date. Community members left astounded.
You should be supplying them the gear that they need. They shouldn't have to beg for it.
You should be ashamed of yourself, because this is not a new issue. This has been going on for quite some time.
Ultimately, the board voted to buy 4 sets of turnouts for more than $17,000, which will still leave 3 of the 14 firefighters with expired gear. Captain Gusky appreciative of the board's decision.
We're looking forward to the future of possibly getting more, but we are very excited. This is enough to at least get an engine back out and running so that we are able to respond to the immediate calls for service in our community.
Gusky says they will be discussing options to get back to responding to calls for service and that they will be doing so soon. She added that they hope to continue to talk to the board at the next meeting and will be looking at possible grants they can use in the future to get more turnouts. Tyler Van Dyke, the North States News.